hear thunder in the distance, see a vision of a cross. I feel the pain that was given on a sad day of loss.